Your reaction about VP Sara Duterte on not giving penalties po dun sa teacher na nag-viral sa TikTok. Maikling ano lang po, reaction on that.
For us, this is a positive development. No? We acknowledge that empathy given to our colleague by no less than the Vice President and the Deputy Secretary. No? Ang sa amin lamang po, sana yung kanyang statement na ito ngayon ay matranslate into policy, para naman po sa mga susunod. Hindi naman po kailangang kaawaan yung teacher, o hindi kailangang magalit yung public sa teacher.
Right.
Bagkus meron na po tayong clear cut policy on this matter po, kasi it talks about something about discipline, student discipline, at doon sa part na yon medyo talo talaga kami, so we call on the Department of Education to review its policies on student discipline, of course, we would not tolerate kung meron pong nakita na kamalian, even yung public dito sa ating teacher in this particular case, but of course kailangan po namin na maramdaman din naman yung caring at yung depensa ng gobyerno, being as public school teachers and government employees for that matter.